Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Getting a little chilly out, you know. I live in Cali, so the weather is a little funky. But today I got a good one for you guys. I got a little bit of Hispanic culture coming at you guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make, I guess, the easiest way to make beans. It does take about an hour for it to all cook and come together, but nothing better than beans, right? A bean soup kind of ish. You want to call it that? Nothing better than that when it's hot. You know, put a little sour cream, a little bit of cheese in there, and oof. For all you Hispanics, and even non-Hispanics who like beans, y'all know what I'm talking about. I got the easiest way to make it. Check it out. Let's go talk chef. Okay, so here we are back in the kitchen and we're gonna get the beans out. I used red beans only because that's what I had. Doesn't really matter which one you guys use. Any beans will honestly cook the same. The only thing that'll vary is about the cooking time, depending the bean, but besides that, it'll be fine. So let's just get a scale. We're going to pour the beans inside. If you don't have a scale like this, you know, just try to estimate about what 3 pounds looks like. So keep in mind that 3 pounds of beans is gonna feed about a whole family for a couple of days. You know, make a good soup. Look at those beans, so nice and pretty. We're gonna get those washed, and then we're gonna get ourselves a pot. And in that pot, we're gonna fill it up about to the rim, or wherever the beans are fully submerged in water. Put that pot on the fire, and then we're gonna dump the beans into the pot. I ended up just doing it this way. It doesn't really matter which way you do it, as long as the beans are fully submerged in water like so. Keep in mind that they will grow. Next we're gonna get is a full head of garlic. We're just gonna cut the top off and clean it off a little bit. And we just do this just to give it a little bit of flavor and expose all the garlic inside. And then go ahead and dump it into the pot. And then next what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of kosher salt as the base. Later on we are going to salt it a little bit more, but it's gonna be salt to taste. And now we wait. Okay, cool. Now that it's starting to simmer, we're gonna give it a little quick mix and we're gonna wait. Ooh, look at that boil. We're gonna give them a quick test after about 30 minutes being on water. It's gonna be boiling. We're gonna give it a quick taste and see if it needs more salt or not. In this case, it did need more salt, but remember, salt is to taste. We're just gonna add another tablespoon. Not much, slowly be adjusting it. Gonna give it a quick mix, and now we wait. After 10 minutes have passed, we're going to check on it and see if it needs more water. And if the water is below the beans like it is in this video, just make sure to add some purified water just to make sure it's covered. And then we wait again. Look at that boil. So that boil lets us know that we're close to being done. Throughout the whole cooking process, we want to keep the fire about a medium to medium low if possible. We don't want it to be boiling the entire time. We want to keep it on the light simmer the entire time. So now we're just going to give it a quick taste. You know, I smushed the bean just to see if it's fully cooked through, because if it doesn't squish, if it's not squishy, it's not done. And then I'm gonna give it a quick taste to see if the salt is good. If it's good with salt. If not, we're just gonna add a little bit more salt and let it cook for like 5 minutes. But in this case, it was pretty good and the texture was good. So then now we're gonna serve it up. Get yourself a nice little bowl, get yourself something good, and just pour it in the bowl. And you can serve it like that. Ooh, Man, that looks amazing. Then we put some sour cream in that, cheese, get some tortillas on the side, or bread, or honestly just like that, and it's amazing. Go ahead and give it a try. See what I tell you? You gonna tell me those beans didn't look good? And you know what? Maybe the video didn't do it justice. But I'm gonna let you know, when it's cold outside and you want something to warm you up and you got soup and all you got is beans at home, go ahead and give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I am in a future video gonna be how to make the best Salvadorian breakfast you've ever tasted. Go ahead and stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe either, and let me know what you guys want to see. What's your favorite breakfast? And matter of fact, what do you guys like eating when it's cold out? You know, maybe I'll make that. Personally, me, sometimes I like beans, you know, sometimes I like my coffee. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon, and we'll talk chef again soon. All right, peace.